everyone, this is Annette with my scrapbooking corner. I'm here with another layout with the cat. This one I wish I would have titled it a little differently, but that's alright. I did it. I'm going to just stick with it. So this one, when I took the pictures several months ago, I already decided what I was going to title it. I was going to title it I Spy. I should have did I spy something that says meow, or something that goes meow, instead of I titled it I Spy a Theo. But anyway, so my background is basil cardstock. The colored striped pad layer is from Hit Kit Club's Flourish. I just cut two pieces, like two triangle pieces out of it. So, what do we got going on? So I have a tan hexagon pattern, which is from Hit Kit Club's Flourish. That blue circle is the reverse side of the hexagon pattern from Hit Kit Club's Flourish. Everything is Flourish. Except for one thing. Oh, there we go. Now I can see better. Made the video full screen. I know that I got the cat being a pain. So the fishtail banners I cut from a few pieces that were just a little bit left. So I cut scraps from them. Or I cut fishtail banners to kind of use them up. I'm yawning, I can't stop. My goodness, Jax, I just keep yawning. Oh, the puppy's named Jackson and Maximus, and we call them Max and Jax. Alright, so I have die cuts, which are Hit Kit Club's Flourish, and then the florals are Hit Kit Club's Flourish, and then I'm going to use some wood veneers, which are also Hit Kit Club's Flourish, and then I'm going to use some phrase banners, which are from Paige Evans, and they are from a past kit. And then I'm not sure what happened, because all of a sudden, I'm not done, but my photo's cut out, so I'm not sure what happened. But that completes the layout. You'll see the pictures of the completed layout. Oh, and I did tell you, Clear Mixed Media is Flourish, I Spy A is Hit Kit Club's Flourish, and Theo is Hit Kit Club's Delightful. And now that completes my layout. Thanks for watching.